Ocen James Agipi, Akena's greatest opponent in 2021 parliamentary election, has joined UPC. Welcome to News Today on Lao News Channel. Ocen entered UPC with some of his supporters who are said to be from NRM party. A representative of Lira City is heir to Lira City Council, Albert Apira, also joined the party officially. Obio Okaha, the chairman UPC of Lira City Council, welcomed these people and said they are ready to welcome anybody who wants to join the party since they are preparing for 2026 general election.
Agipi, one of the lead and Shara, member of UPC. Here, kita ini dia kere, ini ber berjuang. Mekuah iyo, mesti berjuang. Berjuang dulu jangan kita kabite. Jauh dia berjuang kiri. Awal mana biru doang je. Akena koloni, dari doni tiku, dari doni ciro, dari doni divorce, jadi. Jadi, ngasamnya yumi beda, apelo utera evident.
Ocen fell second behind Akena in 2021 parliamentary race for Lira City East constituency. Ocen, popularly known as Agipi, which is the name derived from his medical clinic, Give Life, said he joined UPC because of its outstanding legacy.
I have decided to join UPC party today, and I have seen a lot of love, a lot of care, a lot of protection in UPC party. So those are the things that made me to come and join. But some people think when they will join the UPC party, it is automatic that they will go. No. If you don't have that integrity, a compassionate heart towards others, these voters will not give you their votes. They are only going to give to people with integrity, people who are ready to lead Uganda, people who are ready to see that things are okay. Nobody is crying. Those are the things that has prompted me to join UPC as a party.
In the last election, you contested with the party president. How was it?
It was nice. Me, 2021, I thought I was going.
Apira, who contested and won on independent ticket, said he supports UPC, but he had not yet joined officially.
Era mando abedo official member me UPC. Gen watieni one luck. Jami dusio me berati polere chakere kakanoro. UPC en gurri merati lawan kan. Dana tamani wan lawan long. Chwakunu parre wa me UPC. Out a chapter. Romo yi Uganda don dusio. Me wek unen kireme duogo lodge alwak lodge me tiu piatedero.
There was also dancing and shouting and chanting and joy at the event held at Alpha Resort Hotel in Lira City East Division, Lira City. For Lao News Channel, I am Denish Ongora, Lira City.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.